If you're looking for a productivity app to organize your work, manage projects, and collaborate with your team, you've probably narrowed it down to two of the biggest names: Notion and ClickUp. Both platforms have evolved significantly over the past few years, adding AI features, automations, and powerful collaboration tools. But which one is actually better in 2026? The short answer is that it depends on how you work. In this video, we'll compare Notion and ClickUp across the features that matter most, so you can decide which one is the right fit for your workflow. Let's start with ease of use. Notion is known for its clean, minimalist interface. It gives you a blank canvas where you can build almost anything, from simple notes and personal to-do lists to company wikis, CRMs, and project management systems. It's highly customizable, which makes it perfect for users who enjoy creating their own workflows. ClickUp, on the other hand, is designed primarily as a project management platform. Right from the start, you'll find features like task assignments, priorities, dashboards, calendars, time tracking, workload management, and reporting. While this makes ClickUp much more powerful out of the box, it can also feel overwhelming for new users. When it comes to project management, ClickUp clearly has the advantage. It offers multiple task views including list, board, calendar, timeline, Gantt charts, mind maps, and more. Teams can easily assign tasks, monitor deadlines, automate repetitive work, and track progress without relying on third-party tools. Notion has improved its project management capabilities considerably, especially with databases, timelines, dependencies, and Notion AI. However, it still feels more like a flexible workspace than a dedicated project management solution. Now let's talk about note-taking and documentation. This is where Notion shines. Its editor is one of the best available today, allowing users to create beautiful documents, organize knowledge bases, embed media, build templates, and connect databases seamlessly. Many companies now use Notion as their internal documentation hub because it's simple, elegant, and incredibly flexible. ClickUp also supports documents and collaborative editing, but documentation is not its strongest feature compared to Notion. Artificial intelligence has become one of the biggest deciding factors in 2026. Both platforms now offer AI assistants that can summarize documents, generate content, create task descriptions, answer questions, and automate repetitive work. Notion AI feels deeply integrated into documents and knowledge management, making it an excellent assistant for writing, brainstorming, and organizing information. ClickUp AI focuses more on productivity, helping teams write updates, summarize meetings, generate project plans, prioritize work, and improve task management. Pricing is another important consideration. Both platforms offer generous free plans for individual users and small teams, while premium plans unlock advanced collaboration features, automation, larger storage limits, and more AI capabilities. If you're working alone or managing personal projects, either free plan may be enough to get started. So, which one should you choose? Choose Notion if you want an all-in-one workspace for notes, documentation, knowledge management, personal organization, and flexible databases. It's ideal for students, creators, freelancers, and teams that value customization. Choose ClickUp if your primary focus is project management, task tracking, team collaboration, deadlines, and workflow automation. It's built for businesses and teams that need powerful productivity tools without piecing together multiple apps. In the end, neither platform is objectively better than the other. They simply solve different problems. Many businesses even use both together, relying on Notion for documentation and ClickUp for managing projects and daily operations. Now we'd like to hear from you. Are you using Notion or ClickUp in 2026? Which one has helped you stay more productive? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more software comparisons and productivity tips.